Hey, what's up guys? We have another fun and exciting adventure. Today we're actually gonna load up all of our gear and we're heading to DFW in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you're not familiar, to shoot some content creation for National Foam. This is going to be the second trip down to Dallas to shoot for this company, and I am more than excited to produce this content. Let's go ahead and load everything up in the truck and let's head to Dallas. We said our goodbyes to the boss man. We're gonna do our best to get to Dallas, Texas safely. You know when you're in Texas, when you got a horse in the city. Well guys, we finally made it to our hotel. Now we just gotta go inside, get our hotel keys, get all of our luggage out of the freaking truck, and get it into the hotel room. Let's do it. And this hotel is pretty cool because the Dallas airport is a couple miles down the road, and this is the busiest airport in the nation. We are on level 3. Going up. And we are room 326. Well, we made it to Dallas safely. Now there's only one thing to do now that we've made it to our hotel room, and that's unpack. No, but on a serious note, let's unpack everything that we put in our luggage, get organized, and get ready for tomorrow. Alright guys, I got everything I need set up over here on my desk. Got the laptop, got the hard drive, we brought our own keyboard, our mouse, and we're charging everything up, just making sure that we're at 100% for tomorrow. Me and National Foam are actually gonna be meeting at 7 o'clock in the morning to talk about all the content creation ideas that we'll be shooting tomorrow over breakfast. So I'm just gonna hang out tonight, probably hop in the shower, get ready for bed, get some sleep tonight, and be prepared for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. This sleep went by a lot faster than expected. We gotta load everything back up in the truck. It is about 6:45. We're gonna meet the team downstairs for some breakfast, talk some video and content creation ideas, and then get to work for the day. Let's get it. All right, we're all loaded up. About to hop on the elevator, get some breakfast, talk some ideas, and get to working. Got some dry bacon, dry potatoes. My favorite though is the coffee. Love me some coffee. All right, so we've had our breakfast and we are now making it to the DFW airport for some training, content creation. We're gonna be filming a big ass foam truck and showing the techniques on how to operate it. This is gonna be fun. And we are arriving to our location. Oh my God, they have training dogs out here too. They didn't have this last time. That's awesome. Look at the canines running. That's so cool. Some fire dogs. And we are in the training facility. We're gonna park our truck somewhere so we can get all of our video equipment out and set up everything that we need for this content creation video. Look at that big plane. They set that on fire and let the firefighters put it out. Got the GoPro set up over there. Camera set up on the gimbal. Getting this truck ready, do full production. Well guys, that is a wrap for our National Phone content creation. We got everything lined up with our truck, got everything prepped and ready, and we got everything videoed that we needed. So now I'm actually heading to lunch with the crew. We're gonna eat some barbecue in Dallas, and then I'm gonna make my way back to College Station. That being said, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I appreciate every single one of you. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for future content. Later.
Do something cool so you can see it for yourself. Attaboy. Look like you working.